This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lin Miller. Contemporary penthouse with 2,800 square feet of living space and a bright southerly exposure. Enjoy bold river views and treetop vistas onto the historic Freemason District from 3 large terraces. Sleek, open floor plan with an impressive list of luxurious finishes and appointments. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, cook's kitchen with upscale appliances, well-appointed owner's suite with a spa-like bathroom and spacious custom closets. 2 assigned garage parking spaces and a deep water boat slip. Shown BT appointment with 24-hour notice and the listing agent present. For more information, review the details below.